Hi, Al at HANKSTERS Daytona. You want a nice C10 Chevy pickup truck? Well, you found it. Look at this. New brake rotors in the front, new spindles, new tie rod ends, new ball joints top and bottom, new shocks, flywheel covers vented, 700R4 tranny. This thing is over the top. It is absolutely incredible. Brand new springs in the front, 1 5/8" headers terminating into 2.5, 2.25 pipes. Floorboards on this car are original with the original sound deadener undercoating still in place. No perforations, no rust. All the floorboard supports are all original and absolutely rust free. Park and brake is just as nice as it was when it was new. The cables are real nice and straight. Just an absolutely gorgeous vehicle. There's no place I can see anywhere under here where there's been any repair to the floor pans, rocker panels, any of it. It's all original Chevrolet from 1965. Fantastic. The entire frame, as you can see from front to back, is totally rust free. No scale ever, housing the original black paint, or at least a portion of it from when it was new. The swing arms going to the back, trailing arms are rust free, still have the original black paint on them. New rear springs in the rear, probably E-box. Air shocks, new drum brakes in the rear. Everything under this vehicle is as it left the factory or replaced with brand new components. All new bushings, has a panhard rod, chrome rear end cover, no leaks, Flowmaster exhaust. Nothing more to be said about this thing. This is as nice as it gets. You're not going to find a nicer one anywhere in the country than this vehicle. 350 Chevy engine, polished Edelbrock intake manifold, Edelbrock Carter AFB carburetor, power steering, power disc brakes, air conditioning, aluminum 4-pass radiator, clutch fan, 2 electric cooling fans, transmission oil cooler. This truck absolutely has it all. There's nothing that you could possibly add to this. It's just as nice a vehicle as you could ever find. The inner fender panels are all just perfect. They're not marked up or dinged up from anything. The frame, like I said, still has the original paint if you look on top, and it's still painted black. This thing is as nice as you could ever find a pickup truck. I'm excited about it, and I don't get excited over trucks. Just muscle cars, and this thing has me worked up. This thing is a really incredible vehicle. Everybody knows how hot pickup trucks are today, and look at this one. A C10, 1965, absolutely over the top done. I can't even begin and end on this thing. It's like some of our other vehicles that are over the top. This is one. The chrome is incredible on the car. The finish is a foot deep. Everything lines up as it should. The grille is polished like chrome as the bumper is. All the software around your parking lights, headlights, everything is polished, a mirror finish. Side molding the same way. Set of rally wheels on it with perfect chrome centers and trim rings, white leather tires. Dual mirrors on it, left and right side, outside mirrors. Everything on this truck is just absolutely stunning. The doors open, just like they should. The fit and finish of the car is like second to none. Brand new varnished oak flooring in the truck. There's no dents in the fender wells, in the tailgate, in the bed in any place. There's nothing on it. I can't find any marks anywhere on the vehicle. It's laser straight down the sides and even inside of the bed. Same in the back. You got dual exhaust tip, polished stainless. All the software, the brightware around the tail lights, everything is just as it should be. Back chrome step bumper is perfect. Iconic Chevrolet lettering on it. Just an outstanding example of a 1965 C10 Chevrolet pickup truck. You cannot find a nicer one on the planet than this one. And we have it.